Welcome to today's video. This is a cookbook kitchen and this is the home of cookbook recipes. We try out we try out recipes from different cookbooks, and today, guys, we are going to try a quick pizza margherita. Yes, we are going to make it from scratch. That means you're going to make the dough. We are going to make the, what is it called? Yeah, the tomato sauce. Tomato. If you call it tomato sauce. If you call it tomato sauce. Whatever you call it. And we will have our pizza margherita. Now, if you've watched my, what is it called? Let me remember. If you watch the focaccia recipe that we did from this book. Meantime, let me show you the book. From Everday Low Lectin Cookbook, I showed you the pizza that you can make with the same dough that you used to make. That's the same dough that you've made, or you can make the focaccia with. So let me show you the picture again. That is the picture, and that is what we will try and make today. So check out the video for the focaccia. You will see the ingredients that you're going to use for the dough. So let's make this pizza. Welcome to today's video. So let me show you a bit of the things that you're going to use for this particular video, and then we begin. My oven is preheating, so that one we have done. And for this particular mixture, so we'll be having a lot of back and forth from this page to the other page. For the mixture of the, can you call it pizza dough, of the pizza dough, this time I've added, last time I did oregano and rosemary, and the book says that you can use the herbs of your choice. So this time, apart from rosemary and oregano, I've added herb de Provence. Yes, herb de Provence. I know how to pronounce it. Smiling, maybe I've even murdered the pronunciation, but herb de Provence. Let me show you what I'm talking about, in case I'm pronouncing it wrongly. Can you see it? Yes. I hope you can see it. That is what I've added into my pizza dough mixture. And yeah, so let me show you what you're working with today, so that we can begin the video. Karibu sana. So guys, this is my mixture for the pizza dough. I've already mixed all the flours that I need, but you need to check the other video to see what you're talking about. And now we have a tomato sauce that we need to make, because the book says that we are going to make it from scratch and it's a quick pizza. Now for the tomato sauce that we are going to make, I have some olive oil. We're going to use some olive oil. I have some garlic over here. I have some canned tomatoes. The book says you can also use peeled and deseeded tomatoes, but I'll use canned tomatoes. I have some oregano. Then I have some salt, some black pepper, and some basil leaves. That is what you are going to need for the tomato sauce. And then we will assemble the pizza with the sauce that we are going to make, with some basil leaves. And then we are going to need some fresh buffalo cheese, and then some sea salt flakes, more basil leaves, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. So guys, we are going to begin with making the tomato sauce. So we'll start by adding the olive oil, then the garlic, and we're going to cook it for 15 seconds. Then we add the tomato. So we are going to cook this on low heat until the water evaporates and we get a thicker consistency. So guys, I've divided the dough into 2 parts. So I will roll the first one. You need to roll it into an oval shape. Oh Lord. What am I doing? Don't fall apart. Bring it. We are having an oblong shape. Okay. So the book says we lift the edges a bit. I believe it's the edges of the dough. Then we are going to poke some holes. Oh Lord. Inside. So we are back here. We are going to add the rest of the ingredients. The oregano, the salt, some basil leaves, and then some black pepper. Then you cook it for 1 minute and then we remove. So guys, here is our tomato sauce. Oh my god, it tastes really nice. I've already tasted it. It's very yummy. So I'm going to spread it on top of our crust, and then we arrange the mozzarella on top, and then we bake for another 8 minutes, and then we'll be done. The tomato sauce tastes really nice. So hopefully even this one. But the bread, when we made it, it was really nice. It was very yummy. Only that it didn't look like what is in the book, but it was very yummy. pizza is ready. Now it's time to taste. Mm. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, it's on point. It's on point. Another one. Another one. Mm. My people, try out this recipe and you will not be disappointed. We have made it from Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook. And guys, of course, this recipe is lectin free, gluten free, because it's from Claudia. And all Claudia's books are lectin free cookbooks. Try out this recipe and let me know how it was. Mama. It's really nice. Guys, trust me when I tell you it's really nice. It's yummy, my people. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye and God bless.